I followed YouTube's most popular advice for 6 months and lost 90% of my views. I almost have more than 2k subscribers on my channel, but my recent video only hit 100 views despite working on hook, despite working on good storytelling, despite working on thumbnail. Still, my video flopped. Why? That we will discuss in this video, not just one mistake, but the 6 popular advice which will ruin your YouTube career. And in this video, I will not talk. I will talk, but with statistics. Stick around to this video till the end because the number 5 is the most dangerous and most popular YouTube advice which will ruin your YouTube career in 2025. Never mix short and the long form content on the same channel. Everyone, literally every video was telling me to create short so that I can increase my reach, increase my impression, increase my views, so that it will explode my channel exponentially than working on the long form content. So the main goal was here to create shorts to pull viewers, then hit them with the long videos so that I can pull a watch time from those audience. Sounds genuine, right? So I went all in and honestly my short got exploded. We are talking about 7,000k plus views by just one shot, and it gave me almost 1000 subscribers in just 2 days. Then I dropped my long form content, which was the main motto behind dropping shorts to get watch time, and I was expecting at least 1k views. And do you know how many views I got? 50 views. That's it. I was literally shocked. I was confused because I had almost 1k subscribers and the views that I'm getting, it's just 50 views. I mean, come on. I have worked on my thumbnail, I have worked on my hook, I have worked on my script, everything. But still what I got is failure. And that is very scary because when I upload short, it gets easily 1k views. But when I upload my long form content, I'm hardly getting 10-50 views. I researched about the channels who create both form of content, that is short form plus long form. Here I'm talking about they're not even getting 5% of views which they are getting in the short. For example, if they are getting 100k views on a short, then they're not even getting 10k views. They're very less, around 1000 or sometimes even 500 views. And they have subscribers of almost 1 million or 500k subscribers they have on their channel. YouTube sees shorts and the long form content two separate entities, and hence to conclude this point, please focus on just one format. If you want to become a short king, just put on the shorts, don't worry about the long form content. But if you want to become a long form content king on YouTube, you have to let go of a short content. Mistake number 2 that every wannabe YouTuber make is believing that 10 to 15 seconds of a hook is enough. Back then, people had a more attention span. If you just put a hook at the start of the video, it would be easy for a viewer to stick till the end. But right now, you have to change your frames for every 5 seconds. Look at the Mr. Beast changing the camera position, basically making the constant engagement. And I have tested this myself. My old videos with just opening hooks had a 25% retention. When I started adding mini hooks throughout the video, my retention jumped to 55%. The YouTube game has completely changed, and there are still YouTube creators who are playing by the old games. The mistake number 3 that we're talking here is the lie that the longer videos automatically mean more watch time. So to test this advice, I made 2 videos, one with a 12-minute length and another with a 7 minutes length. The 12-minute video got 15% retention and the 7-minute video got almost 50% of retention. So the point is simple, that you have to start small. Now the reason behind this is very simple. Now consider you are a viewer and there is a one new YouTuber have uploaded 2 different videos, one with a 15 minutes video length and another with a 6 minutes video length. Both have a same information, same thumbnail, same title, and the motto behind the video is also same. Now what is the probability that you will click on the 6-minute video and the probability of you will click on the 15 minutes video? The 6 minutes probability is still higher than the 15-minute video. And the basic and very fundamental mistake that every new YouTubers make on their YouTube channel is they run behind the video length and not behind the knowledge they're gonna share in that video. The mistake number 4 that every YouTuber believes in is the daily upload trap. This one nearly killed my channel and my mental health. I was told in the different YouTube advice videos that consistency is more important than quality. So I did follow that advice, and not for 1 month, 2 months, but for 3 months straight, I was uploading daily. Maybe it's either short, maybe it's long form content, something and something I'm putting on my channel. And video by video, my views kept dropping. The number one question that will ask me, why? Because I was more focusing on the daily commitment and not about the quality that I'm publishing on my channel. I was totally burned out creating a mediocre content, and YouTube, I mean, people could sense it. And let's move on to our mistake number 5, that your first 50 videos will suck. This is one of the most dangerous advice that I have listened, watched on YouTube, because it gives creator permission to suck and create a mediocre content. I mean, consider there is this one creator who have published 50 plus videos on his or her YouTube channel without retrospecting, without feedback, just posting out there. And another creator here who is working tremendously on the feedback that he would receive once he published the video, how his thumbnail is doing, or how the retention is going down or going up, what are the spikes, what are the dips. The conclusion of this point is feedback matters. Study your analytics of every single video. What's working, what is not working, double down what is working. It is that simple. But creators nowadays spend lakhs of their money in some shit courses and waste their money and time. And here we are at the end of this video. We are discussing the last mistake that every YouTuber, new YouTuber specifically, makes is copying. I mean, I also copy. I don't copy as it is, but I take inspiration from some ideas or some thumbnail. But I need to impersonate. I don't want to be impersonate. Or I try to blend my personality and some part of their thinking, their impression into my videos. That's okay. But if I'm just copying and pasting that person, and now I'm Ali Abdul, and how are you? Did you subscribe to my channel? And the mistake that I did was I copied format by format, frame by frame, the video, the thumbnail, the post, the hook, because those video was having millions of views. By copy pasting them, I was expecting I would get at least 10k views. But no, I was wrong. I was totally wrong. And now you will ask me why. When you copy someone else, maybe it's content, maybe you are copying someone at the work, you're not bringing your own, your unique perspective to that video. The simple point that I want to conclude here is that you have to bring your own perspective. And if this video just have saved your months of wasted efforts, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. And in the next video, I'll talk about how to get your first million views on short. See you in the next video. Till then, keep hustling, keep growing. Bye.